So honestly, dude, like when doing anchor bolts, there's a lot that could go wrong, I guess. There's a lot to double check. There's a lot to understand in order to have this shit go smooth, bro. Okay, so you have your measurements, how deep the anchor goes into the concrete, and how much anchor is sticking out of the concrete. You know, so you gotta take in consideration the thickness of the steel, the thickness of the washer, or whatever. You gotta make sure the embedment into the concrete is the right amount. And double checking the size of the holes that you're putting your anchors in, making sure that your drill bits are the right size. Yeah, it's just a lot of things, dude. And that's kind of what's been slowing us down. We get going and we start a project, and then we go on to the next one, and we kind of forget one thing that'll screw us up. Yeah, so you guys just want to double check all that. I'll go through. I'll see on the next opening that we do. I'll record. The process. Now that the process is embedded in my head, because, dude, once you fuck up, man, and it kind of like slows everything down, and then you're like, fuck, dude, you don't want to do that again. So whatever you guys can get done on the ground, get it done on the ground. We forgot to check all the holes and make sure that our bits fit them. And on the last one that we did, we had to die grind each hole out, make it a little bit bigger, and it was a pain in the ass. So this is the third opening that we're doing now, and just remembering and thinking ahead about what all the problems that we ran into in the past. Now everything should go fucking smooth, dude. So we're gonna make sure all our holes are good right now. Alright guys, I'm checking the plans, I'm checking the size of the holes of the base plates, of the angle that we have on here, and the holes that for the anchors. Alright, and normally you'll see them right here. Right there. It points right to the anchor, and that's usually typical. 1/2 inch set epoxy anchor with 4.5 inch embedment. So that's for the anchors. Right here is for the base plates. 4 5/8 inch epoxy anchor with 3 1/4 inch embedment. So I gotta make sure those are 5/8. And up here, might have it on a different detail. Don't judge my plans, dude. These aren't mine. Right here. Half inch set. Okay. I don't know. It doesn't say shit for up there. Those might be the same things as down here though. So we're gonna check, because it's a 1/2 inch anchor, we need an 1/8 inch of play in the hole for our bit to go through. So we need a 5/8 bit to make sure it fits. Beautiful. 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 Alright, we're doing our flying base right there. 3/4 for the base plate. Base plate needs to get fucking fucked up. You think this would be scary at night with nobody here?
Yeah, probably would be.
See all the lights like shutting down all the way.
Yeah,
Coming at you like that, yeah. Fuck. Almost to the top. Yes, sir. All done. All done. These all need 1/8 inch bigger drill bit.